Hi! In front of me is SONY Xperia 10V, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by opening Devices Settings and clicking on Device Connection. Now select Pair New Device and wait for available ones to show. When they do, just click on the one that you wish to connect to. Then hit pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you wish to disconnect them, select this gear next to connected device and tap on Forget next to connect. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!